Hello guys, I'm sorry for the bad intro, but I'm back here and wait a minute, do I just lose all my stuff? Save your laughs, man. Oh my god, I just lost all my stuff. Or did I? Shut up. So, wait a minute. Really? But didn't I put it in a chest and a furnace? Oh my god. I cannot find my cave again. Like, dude, you have to put blocks where my cave is. Dude, where the frick is it? Oh my god, this is the worst start ever. Oh, and I hope you guys like my new skin. I think I put a C on it. Yeah, it did. But right now I'm focusing on a cave. Sweet, sweet cave. It's not really sweet because it's a cave. Oh my. Dude, can you help me find my cave again? Dude? Can you help me find my cave? Oh my god. But until then, I just want to find some resources. Again. What are you doing, sheep? Ow! I'm gonna kill it. Is that a skeleton horse? Oh my god. Dude, I see you. Ooh, cool skin.
Follow me.
Did you see these skeleton horses?
I'd also like to ask for permission to go on their land for a short time and then leave.
Okay.
Here's somewhere around here.
Okay. I'm going to need to put some blocks so I can find where my freaking cave is. Wait, is the guild actually like real murders? Oh, thank God.
Just like that's what our show was called, but these people would like go on this show and then like they try to survive and then like some people would like kill them and stuff. That movie was so fake because at the end of it they would like kill the person and it was like, well, you know, I died, but I guess I'm not dead.
Are you kidding me? No one says that. Not even the most retarded people in the universe.
But they said it. Hey, look at this.
Oh, cool. What is that?
It's like a Mighty Bobby. I went to a party yesterday. What house was it?
I realized. Mostly because you were talking about a lot.
Look at this. Have you explored eastward into your land?
No. Why?
I mean, not eastward, north.
No. What did you see?
Water.
Well, it took me some awesome mobs. I really want to see what's the new. I really want to fight the husk and the stray.
What house did this stray?
Like the new mobs.
They didn't add any mobs.
Yes, they did. The new Open 2.0, like the husk and the stray. Like the stray is like an ice skeleton. Like I'll show you the spawn eggs. I'll show you the.
I like Charlie in the Taco Factory. So much better. There's like a musical.
I hate musicals. You know why?
I like High School Musical.
I hate musicals because
Okay,
Yeah,
Well,
that's,
the stray is like a skeleton one.
yeah, like a skeleton.
That's
Like
probably gonna be in like a
That's
ice
just-
biome.
that shit's no like slow as arrows. Yeah.
You know those Elsa places that have like these ice formations, like these big castle formation things?
Mhm.
It's probably gonna be in there.
Hmm.
What about the husk? What is a husk?
A husky is like is like a regular zombie, but it can survive the daylight and it spawns in the desert, and also it gives you hunger.
Spawns in the what?
The desert. What? What?
It's like a Tusken Raider from Star Wars.
Oh man, you don't get to ride. You don't get to ride the skeleton horses.
Yeah, you can't ride skeleton.
Yeah, unless you find like that skeleton trap or like the skeleton, like the skeletons on the horses. Like
Well, I
if-
mean, yeah, you can ride a skeleton horse. My friend did it before, but I don't know how he did it then.
yeah, you have to like find a skeleton trap, and then you have to like kill some. And then you have to kill a skeleton that's on a horse, and then just like steal the horse.
I have a sacred tree in my territory. It's really big.
Okay. Wood. And a woodman.
Look at
Is that supposed to be a wood pun?
what?
Is that supposed to be like a wood pun?
A wood?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
a wood pun, like a pun for wood. Like, would you look at that?
No.
Oh,
Oh, that's great.
God, I'm gonna find a freaking.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm just gonna spend my whole day exploring because right now I'm not getting anything done. Sorry for the boring survival guys. So, I'm going to go in there. I cannot believe I lost my cave. And then, now I'm going to have to live outside. Actually, I did that in one survival series. How did I take fall damage? I only like jumped 2 blocks.
I didn't find what I was looking for. So
Neither did I.
what were you looking for?
My cave.
Oh,
Like you have some enough leather to make horse armor?
yep, I got some leather.
But do you have any saddles?
Yep.
You do? Wait, saddles are craftable?
Oh no, I found a village.
You gotta be. Wait a minute, how did you find a village?
I went like north of my base. Well, no. So north is that way. I went south of my base.
Did you find 2 saddles? Oh, well, I'm going to have to hide now because you're going to be running on us and trying to shoot me. Or kill me.
No, I'm from the Mayan civilization. You just have swords.
But didn't like the Asian civilizations have bows too? Yeah, well that means that you're going to shoot me still. Because, like, you did not add any mods to this thing that had guns, did you?
Oh no! What the fuck?
What? What happened?
Forest fire.
Oh, you shooting
There's
me!
a forest fire.
That's why lava should never be placed near a forest.
It's gonna burn down all of my forest. I must get back to my base so I can protect the sacred tree.
Is there anywhere
The
near
sacred-
my forest? Is there anywhere near my forest?
It's on your, well, I mean, it's probably not on your land, but it's gonna start getting closer to you. The sacred tree. If the sacred tree burns, there will be no more rain and no more food.
Dude, are we doing like a rope or something?
I'm doing it.
I had not signed up for this.
The creeper,
The Great Creeper?
the great creeper protects that tree.
Don't creepers blow you up for no absolute reason? Like, it's like suicide bombing. And terrorists. Like, dude, it's like, do they have a meaning besides being in a terrorist group? Like, that's my question in Minecraft. My Minecraft question. Do they have any purpose instead of being a terrorist group? Like, in Minecraft 0.16.0,
That's some of the donkey stuff you talking right now.
no, like, in Minecraft 0.
Freaking anal. Where's my base?
In Minecraft 0.16.0, they're going to make it so that you can like change what a mob does and what it thinks that they are, and their appearance. So yeah, that's actually going to be an awesome update. I don't know when it's going to come out. And why is this? And why is there fear floating around me like a fairy? Okay, that's the shit. Oh.
There is a day.
I'm going to need to start killing animals.
And these jungles are too much.
Oh my god, wait a minute. Stop following me, you freaking asshole experience.
If I take this river.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna quit the game if this experience does not stop following me.
No, that Oompa Loompa is so fat.
Dude, get the
No,
respect
did
for
you see him? You're like,
get the respect for goddamn
his
it.
flabs had flabs. Look at him right there. Ew, look at him. I like the new Oompa Loompa songs. That was funny, huh?
Oh my god, you made that TV show look so retarded. I'm gonna make it bad.
Yes, I found it.
Yeah, once you have the cameras on, it's one of the two hits to kill a cow. No matter what sword you have, unless you have mod or enchantments. Yeah, like California. Or Las Vegas. Because, like, lots of people are famous over there. And oh my god, I cannot go anywhere here. Dude, in the next...
Spawn us some horses, because I can't find any.
Huh?
Somebody spawn us some horses.
Yeah.
We each get one horse. Even if it's slow, one horse.
Okay, can you give us saddles?
Yeah, we can get it. And only leather horse armor. No iron, no gold.
Until we find a dungeon, right? Okay, that's fair enough.
Plus, even if we find a dungeon, I'm probably just going to give it to you because I want to dye my horse armor. Which makes it look so much cooler.
Actually, I actually like the gold horse armor because it makes you look very rich.
I know, but still. So let me go get us. So you can spawn yours, and you can only have regular horses.
Yeah, no zombies are.
Wait, just to make sure that we're not cheating ourselves and getting different ones. You can Okay, we have to go near each other. So you can come onto my land. We can also get a mule too.
So you can get one horse and one mule.
Yeah.
Okay.
And remember, mule or dog. And remember, get a hay bale.
Okay. Wait, why hay bales?
Because hay bales give them better attributes.
What's an attribute?
It makes them jump higher. Well, attributes are like different kind of things that they can do. They can jump higher, and they don't take as much damage. Okay. Well, no. They don't take as much damage when you feed them golden apples.
Well, also going to end the episode here, guys. Sorry for the big interruption. Hope you guys enjoy. And goodbye. We're gonna make a new series next time. Today.